starting now, there is a sale going on for MetaQuest 3 games, well, MetaQuest games in general. Certain games, not all titles, but don't worry, the titles that aren't on sale, you can still use code TECH at checkout to get 10% off. Or if you want to get into VR in general, feel free to use code TECH or click a link in the description below to get a MetaQuest 3 headset. But with that said, let's actually check out some of the gameplay and whatnot, or rather games, not gameplay. Okay, so it looks like some pre-orders are on sale as well. We have the pre-order for RoboQuest VR on sale. We have, let's see, can we click here and get the exact sale games? Yes, we can. Okay, good. We have the supporter bundle for Dungeons Eternity. We have Valentine's Day cosmetic skin of Dungeons of Eternity. Okay, interesting. And yeah, we have quite a bit, it looks like, that is on sale. A lot of it looks like that more add-ons are on sale, or DLC, I guess you could call it, which for some reason to me it seems low-key, kind of interesting, let's say, that we have VR add-ons, or rather that we have DLC for VR games, but I guess it's to be expected. We have DLC for mini games, so yeah. Oh, Assassin's Creed Nexus VR. Never checked it out, but I'm not very good at stealthy type games. Like I said, feel free to use code TECH at checkout for 10% off games that aren't covered by this sale. Let's see. I'm just looking at a few, because you can always hit see all to see all of them, because we're not going to go into all of them. But it's nice to sometimes check the ones that are on the front page, so you can sort of get an idea of things. Okay, yeah. Okay. Townsman VR. You know, it looks low-key a little bit like this game that I played somewhat recently. It's called How to God. Yeah, it's a VR game. I played it for the MetaQuest 3. I'll put a link to it in the description below, so you can click on it and save some money on it and whatnot. But yeah, it was a real fun game. I don't know if it's on sale during this sale specifically, but you know, if you click the link or use code TECH, you'll be able to get 10% off regardless. So that's good. That is good. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know of this sale. And yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.